Hello Nest fam, this is Neve. I'm back with Friday recipe and today we are making pasta in white sauce with vegetables. I'm sure not only the kids, the adults, everybody will like this recipe, and please try this recipe. And the sauce is made from scratch, so no preservative. And let's start the video. So here are the main ingredients, and again the quantity and the details of all these ingredients will be given down below, so don't worry about that. First you have to take the enough water and put it for boiling. As you can see, the water is already boiling. You can put little oil and salt, and then you add the pasta. And we are cooking penne pasta here. You can use any kind of pasta which you and your kids will enjoy, and just stir in between and cook according to the taste you like. For example, I like it little softer, some people like it little undercooked, so you have to cook according to your taste and preference. So now the pasta is boiled and we just strained, removed all the water, and meanwhile the pasta is boiling, you can do your cutting work. So when the pan is little bit hot, like just checking, so we are going to add the butter here. And guys, we are going to make the sauce also from scratch, so it is homemade and safe for your kids and for you, so there are no preservatives or anything. So just stir the butter and just be careful so the butter doesn't burn. And now we are going to add, like she added, the chopped onions, and you have to just basically cook the onions. You need not brown it, just cook when the onions are soft, until the onions are soft. So once the onions are soft, we are going to add the all-purpose flour or the Maida, and you have to mix and really well keep stirring so that there are no lumps formed. Now she's adding the nutmeg powder and the pepper powder. Pepper powder you can adjust according to the taste. Just mix really well. As you can see, guys, please watch our videos. We are really working hard for you guys to bring out these videos, so please subscribe. And like you see, everything is mixed really well. Everything is came together. So now we are going to add the vegetables. She added the mushrooms first as diced mushrooms, and please don't cut mushrooms from before. Cut and put it immediately, otherwise they turn black. And add the broccoli, add all the vegetables one by one, keep mixing and adding. So now adding the bell peppers, green and red one. You can use any color, we get in yellow too, so you can add any of the colors. Now adding salt according to the taste. So now just basically mix everything together, and you can add vegetables according to your taste or whatever you like. You can even add artichoke in this. Now adding the milk. You can adjust the quantity of the milk according to the sauce you want, how thick you want, or how much the sauce you want in your pasta. So definitely you can add. So just mix really well. So now just put a lid and let it cook until the milk thickens little bit. So now we are going to check. Now you see the consistency, and it became a little bit thick and nice, boiling, cooking. So now we add the cheese, and we are going to mix it everything together. Cheese also you can add according, if you like more cheese you can add more cheese. Just mix everything until the cheese is melted with this nice sauce. So now is the time to add the pasta, and we're adding the pasta and just mixing everything together. So just mix, guys. Please try our recipes. As I said, we're really working hard and trying to bring you, and trust me, they're more tasty and a lot of recipes coming up. So just put a lid and cook for a few more minutes, not much, and check back. It's almost done. So it's almost done. One thing you can do if you like meat instead of vegetables, I mean, you can reduce the quantity of vegetable and saute the chicken and add when you're adding the vegetables. So yeah, you can do that and you can enjoy in this white sauce. And the dish is done, ready to serve. Just garnish with little cilantro and just cheese on top of it, and it's really yummy. So I hope you like this video, and if you did, don't forget to comment below and follow me on all my social media. Links are down below, and please try our recipes and share with us. We are really working hard, and please subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Until then, bye.